Garlic is a common ingredient in many cuisines worldwide and has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. Today, we will explore some of the health benefits of garlic that you may not have known before. Here are some of the health benefits of garlic. Reduces blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds that help to relax blood vessels, which can lower blood pressure. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Supports bone health. Garlic contains nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. These nutrients can help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis and other bone-related conditions. Boosts the immune system. Garlic has antiviral and antibacterial properties that help to boost the immune system. It can also help to fight off infections and reduce the risk of catching a cold or the flu. Lowers cholesterol levels. Garlic has been shown to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, while increasing levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Fights cancer. Studies have shown that garlic may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including colon, stomach, and prostate cancer. This is because garlic contains sulfur compounds that have anti-cancer properties. Improves digestion. Garlic can help to stimulate digestion and promote the production of digestive enzymes. This can help to reduce bloating and improve overall digestive health. Relieves inflammation. Garlic contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. This can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Promotes healthy skin. Garlic contains antioxidants that can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can help to reduce the signs of aging and promote healthy, glowing skin. Regulates blood sugar levels. Garlic has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great food for people with diabetes. This is because it can help to increase insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. Enhances athletic performance. Garlic has been shown to improve athletic performance by increasing endurance and reducing fatigue. This is because it can help to increase blood flow and oxygen delivery to the muscles. Garlic is not only a delicious ingredient in many dishes but also a superfood with many health benefits. From boosting the immune system to improving athletic performance, there are many reasons to include garlic in your diet. So, next time you're cooking, remember to add some garlic for an extra health boost. Thank you for watching today's video on Healthy Living channel. We hope you found the information useful and inspiring in your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small steps can lead to big results, so try incorporating some of the tips we discussed into your daily routine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on healthy living, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We love to hear from you, so feel free to leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Take care and stay safe.